I'm sleeping and sometimes texting every time there is a sermon. I don't read my Bible because I guess that's boring. I sing, Lord, I come to you. Let my heart be changed. In you, loving from the place that I found in you. With matching raising of my hands, plus closing my eyes. But the truth is, I'm not sincere with that. Ephesians chapter 2, verse 8 to 9 was right. It is not by works that I will be saved, because Jesus is the only way. And I am ashamed. And I am so ashamed. And I am so wrong. I don't even mind his sacrifices on the cross. I am supposed to be there because those are my sins. I forgot my purpose here on earth. You know what? He's been good to me, but I always take him for granted. I'm so ashamed. Despite everything, he still forgives and loves me. Now, I am talking and standing in front of you, and I don't care if you are going to laugh at me. I dare to tell you things that I believe, and I must tell you. He wants everything in you. And guess what? He's been waiting for you too.